Sawubona lapho, welcome to Educate. Namhlanje ke sizokwenza ama-vectors in 2 dimensions for grade 11, and this time this is uMageba version. So basically, grade 10 you have learned of ama-vectors. That's ama-vectors, they are just arrows that represent physical quantities. Sathi grade 10 ama-vectors, they are what we said uthi they are physical quantities. And physical quantities sathi anani and magnitude and direction. So physical quantities with both magnitude and direction. So basically masikhuluma nge-vector, so esikhuluma nge-arrow, basically sisebenzisa i-arrow ukuze sikwazi ukuyikhombisa iba nani, iba ne-magnitude, iphinde ibe nani, ne-direction. Okay, yini ke manje physical quantity? Masikhuluma nge-physical quantity, anything it's a physical quantity is just a measurement. Anything okwazi ukuyikala, anything okwazi ukuyimeasureisha. For example, i-height is a measurement. For example, i-speed, if i-speed yento is a measurement nayo, angisho. So basically a physical quantity is just a measurement. Sikhuluma nge-measurement. And then masithi i-measurement yethu ine-magnitude ne-direction, it means ukuthini iba no size leyo magnitude. For example, i-size ye-height, that is the magnitude, right? And then ke ibe ne-direction. Ama-direction, masikhuluma ngama-directions, khumbuleni ukuthi we are talking about right, left, up, noma ubani, down. So i-vector yakho ngenza ukuthi iye ka-right, ngenza ukuthi iye kabani, ka-left, ngenza ukuthi iye phezulu, noma ngenza ukuthi iye kuphi, ngezansi. So basically i-vector is just that physical quantity and sebenzisa i-arrow ukuyikhombisa. So i-vector into owayifundayo ya-grade 10 ukuthi inani, ine-tail. So i-tail ye-vector ila kuqala khona i-vector, and then i-head ye-vector ila kuphelela khona i-vector. Whereas i-scalar sathi it's a physical quantity that has got magnitude only, but angeke size siyibhalele because we are focusing more on ama-vectors. So ka-grade 10 yini owayifunda-ke mfundi? Wafunda ukuthi wena ka-grade 10 masinama-vectors awu-2 siyakwazi ukuwahlanganisa. Let's just talk about i-displacement, for example. Masingathi uqale la kamngani wakho at this point A, let's just say nakho umile ka-point A, uya kamngani wakho ngalena ka-right, angisho. So as you are going to the right, mhlampe uhamba ubani, uhamba u2 kilometers to the right. So lo 2 kilometers kambe sathi yini? It is the distance, right? So mawusuka from point A to point B lana uhambe u2 kilometers, it is the distance. Kodwa mawufuna ukuyitreata as i-vector leyo sibiza ngani? Nge-displacement. So makuyi-displacement kuba into kanjani? Sisebenzisa i-vector to represent it. Sithi usuke ka-point A wena waya kabani? Ka-point B. And kulo from point A to point B you have traveled ubani? U2 meters. So you can still say this is a vector quantity because lena ke i-displacement, it shows ukuthi usuke ka-point A waya ka-point B. Let's just say mhlampe usuke ekhaya kini bese waya ey'tolo. Into kanjalo, yabo into kanjalo. So basically i-vector it represents ama-physical quantity, into esingakwazi ukuyi-measure, into esingakwazi ukuyikala. So in this case this is 2 meters from point A to point B. And then what if we ngithi mhlampe uhamba enye sosuka ku-point B, mhlampe usuka endlini, this is your house, bese ke uya kuphi? Uya e-store uyothenga into oyithengayo. Bese uthi hayi man, sengikhumbule umuntu wami man, asengihambe an extra mile kancane, uhambe futhi. Bungathi uyahamba futhi, let's just say usuka from e-store mhlampe lo muntu ozombona uhlala la ka-point C. So kamngani wakho lana, so this is your friend's house. So ikamngani wakho lana. So muzosuka lana ke, suzosuka la from e-store uqhubeka uya kuphi? Kamngani wakho. So this is now another vector. So yasho ukuthi ukusuka e-store kuya kamngani wakho mhlambe kubani? Ku1 meter. So mase sibuka i-displacement ka-grade 10 sathini i-displacement sifuna ukubona ukuthi uqhele kangakanani from la uqale khona. So you started at point A, wagcina ku-point bani? Point C. I-displacement yakho i-vector esiyidweba from bani? Mawudweba i-displacement, you draw it from la uqale khona, from the tail. Angisho uqale ka-A wena? Khaya kina ngisho. So that's where you start. So you start here at the tail of the first vector. Bese uphelela phi? Uphelela at the head of the last vector. Ila ugcine khona. So kahle the total displacement obenayo in this case, it is lo 2 meters plus lo bani? plus lo 1 meter, and you'll say that this would be 3 meters, and lo 3 meters yawona une direction angisho uya kuphi, uya to the right. So mawuhamba from the house to the store is 2 meters, bese uhamba again from the store to the friend's house la kamngani wakho, and then that's another 1 meter. Shuthi kahle kahle wena, how far are you from la uqale khona, noma how far are you from indlu yakho noma ekhaya kini, basically 3 meters. And makuyi displacement you must indicate direction. Basi-ke simthole kanjani thina lo 3 meters? Ka grade 12 wafundiswa ukuthi ngese-maths mawufuna ukusolve le displacement ngokwe-maths wenza kanjani? Uyasho ukuthi i-resultant vector, i-resultant vector, it is the sum of lama vectors lawa awu-2. Lena emnyama from A to B and lena e-blue from bani, from B to C. So into yenzayo lana-ke uthini? Uthi from A to B you have traveled 2 meters, but lo 2 meters lo unani, une direction, you have traveled 2 meters kuphi, towards the right. So that's 2 meters to the right. So mangimbhala sathi thina, when you are going to the right we say it is a positive direction. When you are going to the left sathi uthini, it is a negative direction. But masenza i-resultant, we are adding up wonke ama-vectors now so that you can find the what, the resultant vector. So into esiyenzayo la sithini, sithi uhambe 2 meters kuphi, towards the right. 2 meters ka right, so somsebenzisela ubani, upositive. So ka right sothini, 2 meters onjani, o-positive. Bese sithi plus, wasusuka la from B to C, i-vector yesibili leyo angisho. Le vector yesibili, this is also 1 meter, and ibheke le vector towards the right. I-vector you must always define it using i-magnitude and i-direction. Awukwazi vele ukusho ukuthi wena uhambe u2 meters. Uhamba u2 meters uyaphi yantanda yini? Cha. It's 2 meters towards the right. This is 1 meter from B to C is towards the what? Towards the right. So muzoyibhala la lo 1 meter uzombhala e-positive noma e-negative. Uzombhala e-positive ngoba obakuphi? Ka right. So this is plus 1 meter. So i-resultant vector yakho okuzoba i-displacement kuzoba ubani? U2 plus 1 okuzoba ubani? Okuzoba u3 meters. Lo 3 meters lona uyi-resultant vector. Awuvele ubhale u3 meters bese uthi uqedile, cha. Lo 3 meters lo kumele u-indicate ukuthi uya kuyiphi direction. In this case uzobona kanjani ukuthi lo 3 meters uya kuyiphi direction? Sithe thina uma i-vector yakho i-positive, it means iya kuphani? Ka right. Uma i-vector i-negative, it means iya kabani? Ka left. So in this case njengoba i-answer yethu ye-resultant sithole u-positive 3 meters, it means ukuthi iya kuphi? Iya ka right. So this is 3 meters to the right noma 3 meters towards the right. So lento lena wayifunda ka grade 10. Sakukhumbuza nje, ngisakhumbuza, sithatha isikhathi nje sisikhumbuzane sithi nje ukurevisita before singena grade 11. Sithini? Sithi if you are adding two vectors, sengisho ngesingisi manje, when you are adding two vectors, i-resultant vector yakho, it always starts at the tail of the first vector. Shuthi mawuyidweba i-resultant vector yakho, uyidweba from i-tail. Angisho sithi this is the tail of the vector. This is the head of the vector ngisho. So you draw it from the tail of the first vector. Nakho-ke nangu dots from the tail of the first vector. Uyidweba izifike phi resultant to the head of the last vector. Senzeni a quick example enye futhi esheshayo. So what if-ke ngithi nakho-ke you have got a vector, uhambile-ke sithi mhlambe usuke esikoleni, so from your school which is u-point A. Bese-ke wahamba mhlambe u7 meters, wayaphi? Waya to the store. So from the school waya e-store. Mawusuka e-store wathi hayi man, khona into engiyikhohliwe sengijike kancane. So mawusuka la e-store, you have decided to return back kancane, mhlambe uhambe ubani, mhlambe u2 meters, mhlambe angazi uyobona bani lo umkhumbulile noma umkhumbulanga, but basically uyabuyela ngo2 meters. So nakho sinamanye ama-vectors awu2. So sino point A, sibe no point B, siphinde sibe nobani? No point C. So lama vectors awu2 athini? You come from school, you go to the store, you buy into oyithenga e-store, bese wenza njani? Uyajika u2 meters uya ka point C. Bese sithi sesifuna ini lana? I-resultant vector noma isibiza nge-displacement ka grade 10. So lana khumbulani sithe yini i-resultant vector? I-resultant vector yethu masiyidweba from kuphi iziye kuphi. So i-resultant vector sithe you draw it from the tail of the first vector to the head of the last vector. Shuthi uzoya wena la kuqale khona i-vector yokuqala, nayi i-vector yokuqala ngisho. nayi vector yesibili. The first vector is from A to B is 7 meters to the right nge-direction yayo, and then the second vector is from point B to point bani, point C is 2 meters. Lo 2 meters ubheke phi lona is facing towards the left. Angisho siyazi lona u-left wami lona ubani u-right wami lona. Sayibona ngisho into kanjalo. So this is my right, this is my left. So you have traveled 7 meters to the right bese watravela u2 meters to the left. Yabo into kanjalo ngisho. So lana ke mase sodweba i-displacement yethu noma i-resultant vector. I-resultant vector isuka phi? I-resultant vector isuka from the tail of the first vector. I-tail ye-first vector nayi first vector la ku-A ila kuqala khona i-first vector. So that's your tail. That's la kuqala khona ini i-resultant yakho. Bese iphelela phi i-resultant? Iphelela at the head of the last vector. Sinama vectors awu-2 lana. This is the first one, this is the last one. Nayi head of the last vector. So nayi head of the last vector. Bese ke kumele uthole ke manje isize yayo noma i-magnitude ukuthi le resultant vector noma le displacement ingakanani. Ungayithola kanjani ke i-displacement? Sizosebenzisa imath ke manje uthi i-resultant is equals to the sum of vector 1 no vector 2. Uyabahlanganisa, uyaba-add. Uyezwa ngithini? Uyaba-add, awuba minus, you are adding them. Ukhumbula ukuthi uma u-add ama-vectors ane-direction, awuvele uthi 7 meters, that's my vectors. No, it's 7 meters to the left, 7 meters to the right. You mention i-direction kuqala wengane. So lana-ke ime kanjani le ndaba yethu sithini? When a vector is going to the right, it is positive. I-magnitude yakhona noma i-size yakhona isinjani? I-positive. Uma i-vector iya ka-left, i-size yakhona isinjani? I-negative. So whenever you are adding it, you must consider any i-direction. So in this case, iyakuphi lena? Iya ka-7 meters to the right. So this is u-7 onjani? O-positive. Bese add nani? This is plus, angisho we are adding. Ungathi minus, this is plus. So buka-ke. Le vector yokuqala esuka from esikoleni eya ku-S dot, that's the first displacement vector. Okay, noma that's the first displacement esinayo oku-7 meter. Bese senza njani? Suka from la u-point B siya ku-point C, that is omunye u-2 meter. But buka-ke lo 2 meter lona iyi-vector eyaphi? Le vector le ibheke ngalena. Ikuphi ngalena? This is to the left, angisho, this is your left. So basically lento lena isuka from la to la is 7 meters to the right. Bese vector yesibili is from here to here. This is 2 meters towards the left. Sithe thina when you are adding noma mawubhala isize ye-vector, if it's going to the left usebenzisa ubani? U-negative. Usebenzisa ubani? U-negative. So in this case this is 7 plus bani? 7 plus negative 2 meters. Why lo 2 lo simenza ukuthi abe negative wengane? Is because it is going towards the what? Towards the left. So it's going towards the left, so you put negative 2. And mungenza la, this is plus and minus, uzofana no minus lento angisho. So i-resultant yakho kuzoba 7 minus 2 bese resultant iba ubani? U5 meters. Lo 5 meters lona ayipheleli answer yakho manje sithe i-vector iba nani? Iba ne-magnitude iphinde ibe nani? Ne-direction. I-direction yala ithini? Uzoyibona kanjani i-direction? Uyobuka ukuthi i-answer yakho i-positive noma i-negative. Uma i-answer yakho moqeda uku-add ama-vectors i-positive, it means ukuthi iya kubani? Iya ka-right, i-resultant vector. Uma i-negative, it means iya kabani? Iya ka-left. So it means this is 5 meters. Ngoba i-positive, lo 5 lo positive, angisho 7 minus 2, u-5 o-positive. So it means ukuthi lo 5 meters lo uya kubani? Uya ka-right. 5 meters to the right. And lento le iyakufakazela from i-diagram yakho, because from i-diagram yakho you found out ukuthi if you draw i-resultant vector usuka from the tail of i-vector yokuqala to the head of i-vector yokugcina. Yabona ukuthi le vector yakho it moves from here to here, it's going towards the right, and i-size yayo iwubani? Iwu5 meters. So uyabona kahle kahle wena i-displacement yakho noma i-resultant vector yakho ufuna ubona ukuthi kahle kahle uqhele kangakanani from la uqale khona. Uqale la ka-A uphelele la ka-C. What is the distance between A no C? That is the size of any of i-displacement yakho. So i-resultant vector ke lena. So lento lena ke we now take it to the y-axis nakhona sibona ukuthi singakwazi uku-apply into efanayo. Masingayithatha lento sifake ku-y-axis. Masingayifaka ku-y-axis ke lento lena kuzoba into kanjani? So sithi sine-vector nayo yaphezulu. So sithi mhlambe uhambe waya phezulu, angazi ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukudesign nemshanelo yini, but uyanyuka. So mawunyuka la unyuke ngo2 meters, usuke from bani, from point A waya kubani, ku point B. Unyuke ngobani, ngo2 meters phezulu. Wasubona ukuthi mhlambe amafa ayabanda yini bese wathi awehle futhi. Wehla ke from uB wena, wehla weza la kabani, ka point C. Mhlambe wehle ngobani, ngo1 meters. So siyakwazi ukudweba ama vectors awu2. So the first vector, ile vector ethi suke from down to up. This is from A to B is 2 meters. Then from B saqhubeka senza njani? Sehla ngo-C kwaba 1 meter. So lana i-resultant yethu masifuna ukuyidweba i-resultant vector noma i-displacement into efanayo leyo ngisho. So masifuna ukudweba la i-resultant yethu sithe siyidweba from bani? We draw it from the tail of the first vector to the head of the last vector. Siyezwakala isingisi ngithi uyidweba from i-tail noma umsila we-vector yokuqala uze ugcine kuphi? Ekhandeni le-vector yesibili. I-tail sikhuluma ngento kanjena, i-head sikhuluma ngento kanjena. So nayi vector yokuqala nayi vector yesibili ayalandelana. So wenza njani? Udweba i-vector yakho from the tail of the first vector. Nayi first vector ngisho. From A to B is the first vector ngisho. So you draw it from the tail of the first vector uya kubani? Uya ku head of the last vector. So izosuka la ku tail iye kubani? Iye ku head. Nayi resultant yakho. Yawunsi ibheke phezulu ngisho, but singakwazi ukuyithola usahlahle ingakanani leyo resultant vector yakho noma ingakanani leyo displacement in this case. So singayithola kanjani? Khumbula sithini? I-resultant is equals to the sum of lama vectors asiwa-add sino 2 meters. Now remember ukuthi masihamba ku-y-axis, up is positive, down is what? Is negative. Asikubhalele so up is what? Is positive, down is negative. Kusho usahlahle uma i-vector yami yaphezulu mangizoyibhala lana as a resultant, mangizoyi-add lana kumele ibe njani? Ibe positive. Uma iyaphezulu, positive phezulu. Yabo. And then if i-vector yami yehla ngenza njani? Sebenzisa u-minus, u-negative lo. So this is 1. So in this case sino 2 meters oyaphezulu ngizobhala ubani? U2 o-positive plus sino 1 oyangenzansi ngizobhala ubani? U1 onjani? O-negative. Bese ngenza njani? Ngiyaba-add la. Ungabhala u2 minus 1. Ngiyazi ukuthi niyazi maths ukuthi vele ku2 minus 1 kodwa ngithi mina i-resultant is a sum of ama vectors. I-sum isho ukuthini? Uya-add. U-add u2 nobani? No-negative 1. Yini enza ukuthi lo negative 1 abe negative? Is because le vector le ibheke phi? Ibheke ngezansi yaphansi. Sayibona ngisho ikhombe kuphi? Ikhombe phansi. So in this case this is 2 minus 1 kahle kahle. Muzoyenza ngesimaths uzothi this is 2 minus 1 bese resultant yakhe bawubani? 1 meter. Kodwa ayiphelele answer yakho ngoba sithe i-vector mase ini i-magnitude and i-direction. In this case siyabona ukuthi i-positive answer yakho. So uzokhomba ke ukuthi if it's positive it's up. Angisho y-axis lona ungangitsheli ngo-right ngo-left cha. Right no left siyenza if i-horizontal ama-vector wakho. But because ku-y-axis if iyaphezulu positive, if iyangezansi minus negative. So in this case i-answer esiyitholile i-positive. Okusho ukuthini? Okusho ukuthi le direction this is bese ngithi to the up but this is 1 meter up noma upwards. Sayibona ngisho leyo. So you can do i-vector addition but le method ebesiyenza all along siyibiza ngani kambe? Siyibiza nge-tail to head method. Ukukhumbuza nje u-grade 10 lokho njalo. 18 minutes wonke ngilokho ngiyakhumbuza. Ngifuna ukuthi uyi-understand lento le ini tail to head method. Le tail to head method uyisebenzisa ukwenza njani? Ukudweba i-resultant vector. Uyidweba kanjani i-resultant vector? Uyidweba from the tail of the first vector, from the tail of i-vector yokuqala to the what? To the head of the last vector. So musu wenzile njalo ke manje sesiyakufaka ke manje grade 11. Okay. So ka grade 11 ke senza njani ke? Sithi ka grade 11 ama vectors wethu ke manje sesiba nama vectors in 2 dimension. Yini dimension kahle kahle? In simple terms masikhuluma ngo-x axis uyi-dimension. Masikhuluma ngo-y axis uyini? Uyi-dimension. Khumbula phela ukuthi ime kanjani lento leni? I-Cartesian plane is something like this. Sinani? Sine-y axis, siphinde sibe nani? Sibe ne-x axis. So masikhuluma nge-x axis it's 1 dimension. Masikhuluma nge-y axis is what? Is 2 dimension. Khumbula senzile ama vectors that are separate ekuqaleni. Senzile ama vectors that are separate ekuqaleni but manje sesiwahlanganisa. What if ngithi mina ngine vector eyaphezulu ewu2 meters? Siyabo, iyaphi le vector iyaphezulu. Should this vector is vertical noma le vector lena is along the y axis iyaphezulu. Siyabona le yanyuka phezulu angisho. And then ke masingadweba enye vector ngithi nayi enye vector eyesibili mhlambe ngithi nayi vector eyesibili nakho ngithi this is 4 meters iya to the side. Ngicela please ungalenzeli ophuthu uthi wena uthi mangifuna i-resultant ngizothi 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Angeke uzuyenze leyo nto because lama vectors lawa they are acting on different dimensions. Ngabe lama vectors lawa wonke they were straight mhlambe aku y axis wonke kanjena sibe no 2 meters siphinde sibe no 1 meter. Ungawa add lawo ngoba wonke akubani aku y axis wonke aqondile amile kanje but lena ke uyabona ukuthi lena iwu 2 meters ibheke phezulu lena iwu 4 meters ibheke to the side. So le vector lena sithi is along the what? It's along the x axis. Mhlawumbe masingadweba lento lesingenze be Cartesian plane. Sithi le vector le enyukayo is along the what? Along the y axis. Yabona into kanjalo. So basically you are not allowed wena ukuthi uhlanganise lo 2 plus 4 bese uthi this is a 6 meters. No, go wrong lokho. So the moment wena uzothi 2 meters plus 4 meters mina ngizothini go wrong. Ngoba lama vectors lawa they are not in the same axis. Ngani? They are not in the same axis. Ama vectors wakho kumele abe on the same axis. For example, njengoba besenza lapha sitheni uma ivector kanjena iwu4 meters. This is on the x axis ngoba injani i-horizontal ilele ivector yakho. Bese ke uma ibheke kanjena isalele nakhona ukuthi nje seyibheke ngale. Uyabo but still these vectors are on the x axis. Lama vectors lawa akuphi aku x axis ngoba anjani alele a-horizontal. Ngiyaphinde futhi enze njani alele a-horizontal. Bese lawa anjani a-vertical lawa kanjena they are along the y axis amile. It's either limile liyaphezulu noma liyangezansi kodwa kuyafana konke. Basically into esishoyo lana ukuthi uma ama vectors wakho ke kwenze ukuthi enye iyaphezulu enye iya to the side you cannot add them. You are not allowed ukuthi 2 meters plus 4 meters. Ngiyaphinda futhi u2 meters plus 4 meters umbhalele ugogo wakho I mean okay 2 meters plus 4 meters is not allowed kulokho. Why sisho njalo ngiyasho futhi lama vector owazi ukuwa add for example mhlambe u4 meter nobani no 1 meter angisho bese ukwazi ukuwa add la 4 plus 1 sithola ubani sithola u5 angisho besikwazi ukwenza lokho ngobani ngoba they were on the x axis wonke they were in this wonke a horizontal nanoma enye ngenza ukuthi ibheke le but all of them they are on the what on the x axis. But if wenze ukuthi sinalawa aku y axis mhlambe sibe nenye iyaphezulu enye iyaphezulu uyakwazi ukwahlanganisa because aku y axis amile it's either iyaphezulu noma iyangezansi but it's along the y axis uyakwazi ukwahlanganisa lawa aku y axis wodwa. But awukwazi ukuthi wena uthathe u2 meters oku y axis u4 meters oku x axis ubahlanganise. Ngicela please ingene engqondweni yakho leyo nto. Siyabona ngisho. So basically into esiyenzayo ke siwa resolve kanjani i-resultant vector yethu siyithola kanjani kahle kahle mase sine scenario ekanjena. So sinezindlela eziwu2 sinama method awu2. So ngizoqala ngemethod yokuqala ngithini ngithi nakhu ke ngizodweba nakhu ngithi this is u4 meter lo 4 meter wami lo ubhekeleni so nangu 4 meter this is 4 meter. Lo 4 meter lona u4 meters i-direction yakhe iyapi is to the right. Mawuzwa u-right no left it's along the x axis angisho u-right no left u-x axis loyo. Angisho vele obvious mawuya ka right you are moving along the x axis mawuya ka left usamove along the x axis. So this is right. So lo 4 meters to the right ile vector yami yokuqala. Bese i-vector yami yesibili ngithi ubani? Ngithi i-vector yami yesibili i-len. Bese iba ubani u2 meters. Mancane kakhulu la. Siyaswenza ke makhulu kancane. So this is 4 meters to the right angisho. And then enye vector esinayo lana ubani u2 meters up. So sinama vectors awu2 ke manje in this case. Sino 4 meters to the right, sino 2 meters up. Uwa resolve kanjani? Awubuke. Lama vectors lawa, le pair yama vectors iyafana. Yawona lana sinani sino 4 meters o blue oya ka right. nalana sino 4 meters o-blue oyakabani oyaka-right. Lana-ke sinobani sino 2 meters the black vector oya upwards, nalana sino 2 meters the black vector oya upwards. Yini umehluko phakathi kwalama diagram awu-2? Ile ndlela esiwabeke ngayo ama-vectors. Mongathi uyabuka lana lama vectors lawa awu-2 they are starting at the same point. Uyabona ukuthi ama-tails walama vectors awu-2 ayathintana. Angisho sithi thina umsila we-vector ila iqala khona ngisho. So basically i-tail yale vector emnyama enyukayo yaphezulu iyafana ne-tail yale vector e-blue eyangalena kabani eyangalena ka-right. They are at the same point. So here you can have a scenario whereby ama-tails are at the same point. So uma ama-tails they are at the same point, this is one scenario. Kodwa lama vectors wethu masingawa rearrange kancane kungenza ukuthi siwa arrange ngale ndlela ukuthini, in this case awuthi i-tail yale blue vector iyodwa bese u-black vector one-tail yayo. But mungathi uyabuka lama vectors ayenza njani ayalandelana. Alandelana kanjani? Buka na i-vector yokuqala the 4 meters one iqala la iyahamba ifika la iphelela la. Asho the head of the vector, that is where the vector ends. Asho mayikhombe ngaleni khabe ikhombe ka-right angisho. So this is where the vector starts, iyahamba mayifika la, that's where it ends. So la iphelela khona le vector e-blue uyabona ukuthi kuqhubeka enye vector emnyama. So basically singasho ukuthi lama vectors la yenza njani ayalandelana, noma lama vectors lawa njani they are in a sequence masesho ngesingisi. So lama vectors lawa they are in a sequence. Yabo leyo nto. So here the first scenario ama-tails they are at the same point. Ama-vectors lawa ayafana, siyavumelana ngisho sithi sino 2 meters no 2 meters, sino 4 meters no 4 meters. Ayafana lama vectors esinawo kulama scenario 2. Kodwa umehluko ile ndlela esiwabeke ngayo. Indlela yokuqala sithe siwabeke ngale ndlela ukuthi ama-tails wow abe kwi-point efanayo. Because i-tail yale black vector yiyona lena. At the same time i-tail yale blue vector yiyona ile futhi. But in the second scenario siyenza ukuthi ama-vectors wethu njani alandelane. Masithi ayalandelana ama-vector it simply means ukuthi siqala kule ewu-4 meter na 4 meter siyahamba nayo to the right iphelela la, u-4 meter wethu uphelela la. Bese ke from lo 4 meter kuqhubeka u-black vector nayo. Siyabona ukuthi i-tail iqala la, i-tail yale black vector ilana ngisho kule head yale blue vector. Okusho ukuthi kahle masiqeda lo 4 meter kuqhubeka ubani lo black vector. So lama vectors lawa wenza njani ayalandelana noma they are in a sequence. So indlela yokuthola i-resultant ikanjani? Asiqale la, if ama-vectors wakho they are in a sequence noma uma ama-vectors wakho elandelana, uma ama-vectors wakho enza njani elandelana, i-resultant usebenzisa yiphi method? Usebenzisa i-tail to head method. So ukuze ukwazi ukudweba i-resultant vector kumele usebenzise bani? U-tail to head method. Khumbula sithe usebenza kanjani u-tail to head method of resolving i-resultant. Sithe u-tail to head method mawuzodweba i-resultant vector yakho isuka from the tail of the first vector, isuka from the tail of i-vector yokuqala until it reaches the head of the last vector. Ngisaphinda futhi isuka from the what? From the tail of first vector to the head of last vector. Now, so basically mawusenza i-tail to head method yokuresolve ama-vectors isuka from the tail of i-vector yokuqala uya to the head of i-vector yokugcina. So in this case the first vector it is the blue vector, nayi blue vector nayi 4 meters iqala lana until here. Then the second vector ile black vector isuka lana from la kuphela khona le blue yaphezulu. So mawudweba lapha i-resultant yakho make sure ukuthi i-resultant yakho izoqala from the tail of the first vector. Iphi tail ye-first vector? Na i-first vector i-tail yayo ilana la iqala khona, la iqala khona i-vector sithe i-tail, la iphelela khona sithe yini? Sithe i-head. So in this case i-vector yakho isuka from the tail of the first vector. I-resultant yakho njalo isuka from the tail of the first vector all the way to the what? To the head of the last vector. Actually this is the first vector, this is the last vector. Now i-head of the last vector. Shuthi muzoyidweba izotsheka izoqala la. Nakho. nanoma ingaqondile yona itshekile vele wangempela but kumele kube uline uline oqondile kodwa utshekile, yabo into kanjalo. So basically 9 siyidwebe futhi kahle. So basically i-resultant yakho sithe iqala from the tail of the first vector, from the tail of the first vector nakho iya to the head of the last vector. So from the tail of the first vector to the head of the last vector. Sebenzise lami udwe kanjalo. So basically lana kwenzakalani? Lento leso ibiza ngani? Nge-resultant vector. Futhi ngicela ukuphinda futhi ngisho ukuthi you cannot use u2 plus 4 ukuze uthole i-resultant vector. Awukwazi ukwa-add uvele uthi i-resultant yami kusho ukuthi u6 meters lo already, cha, akwenzeki lokho. So le method le eyokuqala esisebenzisile yini? I-tail to head method. Uyisebenzisa makunjani? Mawukuthi ama-vectors wakho ayalandelana, they are in a sequence. What if ama-vectors wakho they are starting at the same point? Meaning ukuthi ama-tails walama-vectors they are at the same point. Angisho ukuthi lama-vectors lawa imisila yakhona noma lawa aqala khona ama-vectors wakhona they are starting at the what? At the same point. So how do you resolve i-resultant vector makunjena? So lana-ke if ama-tails they are at the same point, udweba ini? Udweba i-parallelogram, sho ukuthi udweba ibhokisi wena, sho ukuthi you draw ini? Ibhokisi nakho. So udweba ini? Udweba ibhokisi. Sense lo mbala nakho udweba ibhokisi, and then nangapha futhi udweba ibhokisi. So this is into esibiza nge-parallelogram of forces noma parallelogram method. So wenziswa yini? Le bhokisi leli ulidweba kanjani? Uma kuwukuthi ama-vectors wakho they are starting at the same point, uma kuwukuthi ama-tails wama-vectors wakho they are at the same point noma asendaweni efanayo, sayabona ngisho ukuthi aqale endaweni efanayo lawo. So basically uzodweba ini? Ibhokisi. I-resultant yakho izosuka phi-ke uma wenza siyibiza nge-parallelogram method esiyenzayo lena. So sibiza ngani? Nge-parallelogram method. So this is known as a parallelogram method. So mawusebenzisa i-parallelogram asiqale la, sithe i-parallelogram method uyisebenzisa makunjani? Uyisebenzisa mawukuthi ama-vectors wakho they are starting at the same point noma ama-tails wama-vectors wakho they are at the same point. But uma kuwukuthi ayalandelana ama-vectors usebenzisa i-tail to head method. So asiboneke lawa they are starting at the same point angisho. So wenza njani-ke? Udweba i-resultant yakho from the tail, from lana kulama-tails awu2 all the way towards ikhona yale bhokisi lena. So yini lena? I-resultant yakho. This is the resultant vector. So siyabona kahle le resultant lena nalena kuyinto efanayo because they are going the same direction, same magnitude. Ngoba sisebenzisa ama-vectors afana, vele sisebenzisa u2 meter no4 meter nangalena ngisho ukuthi nje indlela esiwadwebe ngayo is different. Yini ehlukanisa indlela esiwadwebe ngayo lana? Ukuthi if ama-vectors they are starting at the same point, sisebenzisa i-parallelogram method la kumele ucomplete khona ibhokisi, udwebe khona ibhokisi, and then i-resultant vector yakho isuka from the tail la hlangana khona lama-vector all the way to ikhona leli bhokisi. Or you can use i-tail to head method. I-tail to head method sisebenzisa makunjani? Uyisebenzisa mawukuthi ama-vectors wakho ayalandelana, they're in a sequence. La kuphela khona i-vector yokuqala kuqhubeka enye yaphezulu. So now ama-method awu2 esiwasebenzisayo resolve i-resultant. So yini ekumele uyinakisise-ke kulama shapes awu2? So into ekumele uyinakisise kulama shapes awu2 ukuthi le angle between lama-vectors awu2 iba ubani? Iba u-90 degrees. Indaba sisho njalo. Obvious because le vector le iku-x axis le iku-y axis, yazi ngisho ukuthi vele u-x no-y masingabadweba u-x no-y axis labo2 i-angle between them kuba ubani? U-90 degrees always. So lama-vector njengoba aku-y axis la aku-y le eku-x axis i-angle between them kuzoba ubani? U-90 degrees. Nangapha futhi usengenza into efanayo naku-parallelogram method, kusho ukuthi the angle between lo line lo esiwudwebile nale vector iba ubani? Iba u-90 degrees. And kumele ukhumbule imaths yakho-ke ithini ukuthi njengoba udwebe ibhokisi la i-shape engathi ibhokisi ibiza nge-parallelogram njalo, but le shape engathi ibhokisi means ukuthi le vector le njengoba iwu2 meters nangale le side leli zizoba ubani zizoba u2 meters nayo ngoba you know ukuthi opposite sides of each shape they are what they are equal mayise sifake imaths yakhona ngisho manje so mase sifake le maths yakhona sithini le side leli nale side lela they are equal to one another so maku2 meter ngapha nangalena kubani ku2 meter bese ke singabuka into efanayo nakhona kule triangle engaphezulu ukuthi this side maku4 meter nangale kuzoba ubani kuba u4 meter nakhona kuzoba 4 meters so please sibokwenza kanjalo before you start solving every problem ozoyenza awuqala uresolve ngalendlela asizameni ke ngenye indlela sibone ukuthi singakwazi yini ukudweba nje iresultant okay so what if ke ngithi mina ngikunikeza nayi vector ngithi iwu2 okay ngingakunikeza size ngithi nayi vector mhlambe ngithi le vector le u-vector AB isuka from point A yaka point B bese ngidweba enye vector ke ngithi le vector le ezosuka from u-B iye ku-C nayi so no black vector no red vector mangathi without calculating anything awungidwebele i-resultant vector sithe i-resultant vector yakho uyobuka sinama method awu2 okuresolve i-resultant noma ukudweba i-resultant sine parallelogram method bese siba nani ne tail to head method yipho ozoyikhetha lana uzobuka ukuthi ama vectors wakho ayalandelana yini noma they are starting at the same point so in this case awubukeke lana this vector lena this is the black vector isuka from A la iqala khona sitraceni kahle isuka from point A yabani ka point B then from upoint B siba nenye vector eqhubeka from upoint B le vector le ebomvu le red isuka from point B yabani ka point C so lama vectors lawo they are what they in a sequence lama vectors kanjani ayalandelana so mawalandelana ama vectors you need to always remember ukuthi usebenzisa ubani u-tail to head method mawuthi ayalandelana akusuye head to tail u-tail to head method so lana ama vectors ukuthi ayalandelana sibona kanjani because the black vector iqala la from A iza ka B and then the red vector iqhubeka from B yakabani yaka C so mase kunjena ke automatically suyazi lana ngizosebenzisa ubani ngizosebenzisa u-tail to head method uzosebenzisa u-tail to head method and mozosebenzisa u-tail to head method ukudweba lana uzokwenza kanjani khumbula you start at the tail of the first vector i-resultant yakho izoqala from the tail of the first vector and goes to the what to the head of the last vector so soqala kwi-tail of i-vector yokuqala until the head of i-vector yokugcina in this case iyiphi i-vector eqalayo la in this case the first vector ilena emnyama because i-tail yayo siyayibona nje iqala lana nayo the black vector from A to B bese ke the second vector is the red vector from B to C so mawenza i-tail to head lana sitheni you move from the tail of i-vector yokuqala to the head of the last vector so uzogcina ke manje ukuthi i-first vector njengoba ku-AB i-tail yakhona iwubani in this case the tail of the first vector it is this one then i-head of the last vector iwubani ile head la ku-C so i-vector yakho uyidweba from the tail of the first vector to the head of the last vector na so nayo i-resultant yakho and ukhumbula ukuthini futhi ukhumbula ukuthi the angle between these two is 90 degrees njengoba sishilo so yini esenza ukuthi sikhethe u-tail to head method lana singakhethe enye into it's because ama vectors wethu kanjani ayalandelana la kuphela khona i-vector yokuqala qhubeka enye mangathi ngiyawubeka ngenye indlela mhlambe ngithi ngithatha naye ngithi nangu vector B bese ngithatha nomunye uvector mhlambe ngithi nangu vector C so u-vector B no-vector C sinama vectors awu-2 u-vector B no-vector C the black vector and the red vector indlela esiwabeke ngayo ma ungabuka kahle lana ayalandelana yini lama vectors no they are not following each other instead siyabona ukuthi wonke aqala at the what at the same point and sitheni previously sithe when the vectors are starting at the same point what do you use i-parallelogram method qala ubhale ukuthi la ngizosebenzisa ubani ngizosebenzisa u-parallelogram method u-tail to head simsebenzisa makunjani when the vectors are following each other mawalandelana Kodwa uma ama-vectors aqala at the same point, what do? You do i-parallelogram method. Sithe ku-parallelogram method konje wenza njani? Udweba ibhokisi. You just use ama-dotted lines ukudweba ini? Ukudweba ibhokisi. So musudwebile ibhokisi lakho eliyi-parallelogram suzokwenzani-ke? I-resultant vector sithe you write it noma you draw it from the tail ebahlanganisayo bonke to le khona leli ehlanganisa le bhokisi lakho, lama-dotted lines la ahlangana khona. So i-resultant yakho siba into kanjena. So nayi i-resultant. And into ekumele uyazi nge-resultant ukuthini futhi? Sikhumbuleni sithe ama-angles wethu awo-90 degrees. Angle between this and this kuba ubani? U-90 degrees. Nangalena futhi kuba ubani? Kuba u-90 degrees. Kodwa esikhathini esiningi sisebenzisa le triangle engezansi. So yini lena? I-parallelogram method. So in summary, into ekufuna ukuyisho-ke sitheni? If we are resolving ama-vectors in 2 dimension ka-grade 11, njengoba ka-grade 10 uyazi ukuthi we are only doing 1 dimension, siku-x-axis kuphela ka-grade 10, but ka-grade 11 sinani? Sina 2 dimensions. Sithi sisebenzisa ini? I-tail to head method noma i-parallelogram method ukuze sikwazi ukudweba ini? I-resultant yethu. Siyidweba kanjani? Sikhetha nini ukusebenzisa i-tail to head? Sikhetha nini ukusebenzisa i-parallelogram? Mawukuthi ama-vectors ayalandelana, meaning ukuthi la kuphela khona enye i-vector, as in like the head of i-vector yokuqala qhubeka enye i-vector, noma qala enye i-vector nakho lena ebovu. So sisebenzisa ini lapho? I-tail to head method, meaning ukuthi i-resultant yakho isuka from the tail of the first vector going to the head of i-vector yokugcina. Noma uma kuwukuthi ama-vectors wakho they are starting at the same point, senza njani konje? Sithe you draw ini ibhokisi, you complete a box using ama-dotted lines, o-dotted lines kanje. Sasesithini futhi? Sasesithi i-resultant yakho will come from the common tail la kuhlangana khona ama-vector to la kuhlangana khona ini? Ama-dotted lines. Bese sathini futhi? Sathi le side leli nale side leli zenza njani? Zolingana. If ku-2 meter la nangalena zoba ubani? Zoba u-2 meter. If u-4 meters kule e-black nalena opposite side zoba ubani? Zoba u-4 meter nakhona. Because uyazi wena ukuthi actually this is a parallelogram and ama-opposite sides wakhona menza njani? Alingana. Siyabonga nokubuka mfundi. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tune in for our next video la sokhuluma khona on how to calculate the resultant vector.